are Coppice Valley Primary School from Harrogate, and this is our community garden. Welcome to Coppice Valley Community Garden.
So this is our community garden that we won a 5-star RHS gardening award for, and it's been wonderful during school closure for our key worker children to come and work here and get the garden ready for when we can open it back up to the community. It's been really lovely for them to work with their friends and to get a sense of team spirit back in school again.
Me and my class were split into groups and we all came up with the design for the community garden. Year 3 we were given a choice of making it into a woodland or a garden area.
Our head teacher chose her favourite bits from each design and merged them into one.
In the past couple of weeks we've been planting vegetables, berries and some fruits.
The Horticat team helped us with our design.
They installed the raised beds and planted some fruit trees and bushes.
We also did this for our well-being because coming outside makes you happier and more focused.
Coming outside and gardening is good for our well-being and our mental health, and it's very peaceful and it just clears our minds.
It's a nice place to come and eat your lunch. And it's nice how we got to plant all the things and watch them grow. It's a nice place to see if there's like berries growing and it's a sneaky snack when you're hungry.